Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete and recover projects in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Click on Projects to view all your designs and creations in one organized space. Now find the design you want to delete from your projects. Hover your mouse over that specific design thumbnail and you'll notice a checkbox appears in the top left corner of the thumbnail. This is Canva's way of letting you select designs for bulk actions. Go ahead and click that checkbox to select the design you want to remove. Once you've selected your design, a toolbar will appear below with several action icons. Look for the trash icon among these options and click on it. This initiates the deletion process for your selected project. A confirmation prompt will then appear on your screen asking you to verify this action. Click Move to Trash to confirm that you want to delete the design. This moves your project to the trash folder rather than permanently deleting it right away, which is helpful if you change your mind later. Now, let's say you've accidentally deleted a design or simply changed your mind about removing it. Canva makes it easy to recover deleted projects. Look at the very bottom part of the left sidebar and you'll find the Trash option. Click on it to access all your recently deleted designs. In the Trash folder, you'll see all the projects you've deleted. Hover over the design you want to recover, and you'll notice 3 dots appear on the design thumbnail. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu with available actions for that deleted design. From this menu, select Restore. This action immediately moves your design back to your main projects folder where it was originally located. To make sure your design has been successfully recovered, navigate back to Projects in the left sidebar. Your restored design should now appear alongside all your other active projects exactly as it was before you deleted it. And that's it. You've now learned how to both delete projects you no longer need and recover any designs you might have removed by mistake. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.